Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk all about swimming pools, and we specifically focus on fiberglass pools. And in a lot of the videos, we've talked about the different designs, the shapes, and the sizes of fiberglass pools. And today on Pool Talk with Trish, I want to go over with you information about the Axiom design by Latham Pools. So let's dive in. Okay, so there's a lot of different designs that you get to choose from when choosing your fiberglass pool. Do you want rectangular? Do you want freeform? Do you want built-in seating or tanning ledges? There's definitely a lot of different options and features with the fiberglass pool shells. And today, I want to talk with you about the Axiom. Now the Axiom is a freeform pool design by Latham Pools, and it actually comes in 3 different sizes. Your largest Axiom model is a 16 by 35. The medium size, which is the Axiom 14, is a 14 by 30, and your small version is the Axiom 12, which is a 12 by 26. And the Axiom 12 also comes in an Axiom 12 Deluxe, which has a built-in spa. One of the most notable features about the Axiom design, other than those amazing curves that it has, is the incredible large splash pad or tanning ledge in the shallow end. This space is incredible because it can be used for so many different things. You can use it with pool-safe loungers and simply relax, or of course as a tanning ledge. But the kids can also use this shallow area as a great place to play without being in deep waters. And the pool also has a lot of built-in seating around the perimeter. On your 3 Axiom designs that don't have the built-in spa, it's a nice gentle slope once you get off that tanning ledge from the shallow end down to the deep end. And like we mentioned, the Axiom 12 Deluxe has a built-in spa. So if you're looking for a pool that doesn't take up too much space in the yard, and you want the tanning ledge, and you want some swim space, and you want that nice built-in spa, the Axiom 12 Deluxe is a fantastic option. And for many people, the Axiom 12 simply checks all the boxes for what they want in a pool in their backyard. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, like it and share it out with anyone you feel may benefit from it. And I'd love to see your comments as always. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. And you can always reach our sales team directly at 210-494-5002. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming.